Woke them jokers up now. Probably poked a hole in their nest or something. That's yellow jackets. They'll be down in the ground. Had two big old red wasp nests so far. Red wasps, most time you shake them up and they may sting you or something while you're right there, but they give up real quick. They'll fly off. Those things there will defend their territory. As long as they stay over there and mind their own business, I'll mind mine. First one of them things that sting me, that's the end of them though. Yellow jacket's kind of aggressive.